I think I have many weaknesses because I'm learning new things every day. But I love to have them. I work really hard every day to improve myself. And professionally speaking, I think one of my weaknesses is the lack of experience I have. I know you are used to work with experienced people who have 5, 10, or more years experience. And I have graduated 2 years ago. That's why I consider that as a weakness. But let me tell you that I can learn really fast. And if I ignore something, I investigate a lot about it. I see. And talking about your work experience, have you worked before? Oh, of course. Before graduating from college, I had started working as a lawyer, or first as an intern and then as an official practitioner. I worked in Lara's company. I'm sure you know that company. Its office is next to this company's office. They are good too. Lara's company. That's great. And how did you manage to get that job? One day they went to my college asking for people who wanted to participate in a project. I applied to that project and then they told me I was good at that and that they wanted me to work with them. So I took an exam and then went through the regular interview and I started one day after. Impressive. Maybe you don't have a lot of experience at this position, but you have worked for an important company, being just a college student. I'll keep that in mind. And about this position, what abilities do you manage so you can do an excellent job here? Well, I can speak 3 languages: French, Chinese, and Spanish. I know that's important because you have to deal with people from different countries. I could learn this because of my family. My mom is from France and my dad from China. They came here to settle down many years ago. And about Spanish, I learned that while I was studying at college. I have an advanced level. I also work well with modern computer programs and important documents. Plus, I consider myself as a good leader too. I led large groups of people when I was studying to create important projects, and also I won a competition where I had to present a project. That's fantastic. To finish, how do you see yourself in 5 years? To be honest, I would like to create new projects in this company. Projects that can help people. And of course, it will benefit the company interests. I have some ideas to propose. That's professionally speaking. And about my personal life, of course, I want to have a family. And are you able to relocate? You know, we have a lot of branch offices. I have no problem with that. In fact, it will be an amazing new experience for me. Great. Well, I don't have more questions, Daryl. You were good. I can't give you a confirmation right now, but you were really good. I think you can make it. I just have to talk to the general manager about this interview, but I will advise him to hire you. Of course, you will have to start with the minimum salary, but then it will increase a lot. Don't worry. I'm fine with that. I really appreciate your consideration. I will do my best. I promise. I'm sure about that. Well, thanks for coming today, and I will see you probably tomorrow. We'll call you. Excellent. Thank you so much. I really hope you have a great day. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.